Okay, so this is going to be how to tell if any number is divisible by 3. Just from looking at it from surface value, it's difficult to tell if a number is divisible by 3 because there's no strong indicator or pattern to find from these numbers that would tell us that. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on and so forth, they all end in a wide variety of digits, and there's no specific way for us to tell just from, looking at the numbers. However, what we can do is we can do a little trick of adding up digits in order to find out if a number is divisible by 3. So let's take 708, for example. We can't tell just by looking at 708 if it's divisible by 3. There's no clear indicator, and it ends in an 8, which can be misleading. So if we take 7 plus 0 plus 8, or in other words, we take all the digits that make up 708, and we add those up, it'll give us 15, because that's essentially just 7 plus 8. Now, a lot of us know that 15 is divisible by 3 because of 3 times 5. But this works also on a smaller scale with 2-digit numbers because 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. This also works when we apply it to division because when you take 708 and you divide it by 3, you'll get 236. Now, let's look at a different one. So 1185, or 1185. What we would do here is we would take 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 5 is 13. So that's 2 plus 13, which gives us 15 once again, which is the same. And now it's established that these are both divisible by 3. And when we take 1185 and we divide it by 3, we get 395 as our answer. The great part about this trick as well is that it should not work with a number that is not divisible by 3. So if we take 193 and we try to do this rule, 193 is a little misleading as well because it ends in a 9 and a 3. So you might think to yourself, oh, well then it has to be divisible by 3. That's just not the case. Because if we take 1 plus 9 plus 3, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And 13 is not divisible by 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So unfortunately, this number would not be divisible by 3. And when we actually divide it, the real answer that you're going to get is 69 with a remainder of 1. When we look at 586 as well, we can take 5 plus 8 plus 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. Plus 6 is 19. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So when we actually divide 586 by 3, we get 195 with a remainder of 1.